My name is Judy and I'm the head chef at the Fat Bear restaurant. So it's something called pimento cheese. It's a cold sort of cheese spread. Typically, people serve it at parties or barbecues, so it's really a sharing thing. You find it sort of throughout the States everywhere, but mostly southern. It's composed of different types of cheeses and then pimento peppers, which is where pimento cheese comes from. So it's pretty simple. First you get your veg and then your cheese, and then you sort of combine them and add your seasonings. It's mayo based. Our recipe contains bell pepper, the pimento peppers, red onions, spring onions, and jalapeno peppers. It contains two types of cheeses. It's a sharp vintage cheddar and a creamy Red Leicester. So then we have the shredded cheese and we combine it with the veg and we bind it together with mayonnaise and then season it with Tabasco Hot Sauce and some Dijon Mustard. I think it probably came from the South, but it has kind of spread. So it's kind of like an hors d'oeuvre or a canapé type. So you serve it cold, and traditionally you serve it with on crackers, saltines or Ritz crackers. Here in the restaurant we serve it with some toasted ciabatta. But really easy, it's delicious. People put it in sandwiches or burgers. I love to put it on nachos, and a lot of people all over the country do make it.